forks down just a little more. That's good. Perfect. Now go ahead and close your grapple and rock it back. I think this place is a dream come true. To be able to come to a facility where you can dive into every aspect from tree to making finished products. It's truly unique. There are other wood manufacturing programs, but none on the same scale that we have here. What's really cool about our program, and I would say the wood industry, is it's applied. So we're not just talking theory, it all combines together. So you have to have that foundation in biology and understanding the science, but then also the real world application, troubleshooting and manufacturing and making something.
The most important thing for me is every time I sit in this cab, I kind of think I could be doing this for the next 40 years of my life. I actually find it very fun, and it means a lot to be able to learn that.
I think it's amazing. I've always loved a lot of big, heavy machinery. I like working it, and so the fact that I can run everything in that sawmill, it gives you a lot of confidence. It's a lot of fun. You learn so much in there, all the controls. I think it's a $5 million sawmill. I'm very grateful for it.
For students to be able to learn in a safe place that is focused purely on the best practices and not worrying about production, it's a huge learning opportunity. And to see them develop their confidence to go from, wow, that's a big machine that I have no clue how to run, to then see a student that has full control over that, knows what buttons do what and how to operate this technically advanced equipment is really something special.
I think it brings great pride to both NTC and Antigo, Wisconsin, to have a program as extensive as this.
Forest to finished product. We go through how trees grow, all the way through those different steps and variables to making and selling a finished product.